Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show you very quickly the structure of a chloroplast. If you remember, the chloroplast is the organelle that performs photosynthesis, and that's found within plant cells. So here's the quick picture of the chloroplast. It has a double membrane all around it. So it's got an outer membrane and an inner membrane. And then within the structure of the chloroplast, we have some structures here. This individual structure is called a thylakoid. It's pronounced thigh, as in like your thigh of your leg, lacoid. And it's actually kind of an empty sac. If you look at it over here, it's got a fluid inner filling. And so you have stacks of those on top of each other, and an entire stack is known as a grana or a granum. And then finally, the entire portion of the chloroplast is filled with a liquid, and we call that liquid the stroma. The other thing that you'll learn as you're looking through some materials over the next couple days is that within the thylakoid membrane, so again, this is the thylakoid, within the membrane, we have these pigments that are kind of stuck in there that absorb energy, and they are called chlorophyll. That's the main one, and chlorophyll is going to reflect green light, which is why the structures look green and why plant leaves look green as well. So just a quick recap, number 1 and number 2. We've got your outer and your inner membrane. 3 is pointing to this kind of fluid portion there. That's called the stroma. 4 is pointing to an individual kind of organ here, if you will, and that is called a thylakoid. And finally, 5 is pointing to the entire stack, which is known as a grana or granum. And that's the chloroplast.